What is up, everybody? We are back with another Animal Company video, and I wasn't able to get my friends on, sadly, but we played together. But they didn't want to play Animal Company, so what we're gonna be doing is checking out the new stuff in Animal Company. All right, let's get to it, and then we'll do some other stuff. So, what we got is Goofy, Rat, Frog, and Rabbit. Then we got that John Pork. No. Then we also have, what are you, monkey? Yo! I forgot your name. Thing that's worth $2 billion. Let's see, what are you? Wait, you're the Mona Lisa, but you're a cat. Wait, no. Are you a Mona Lisa? I don't know. Oh well. Alright. So, there's all the paintings. Let's see. What is this? Oh. Jumpstar pack. I don't know. What's this over here? Oh, it's real. Then we got the crab. Capybara. Whatever this is. Okay. What the? To change the map a little. Let's see if they got anything new. New? There's nothing new, guys. Fraud. Bro, what? Yeah, guys, there's nothing new. Alright, so I'm gonna get my crystals, and there's a smart way to do it. So you get 2 robots, come over here. Alright, so we're in. I'm just gonna get my gems for daily. My daily gems. If you're scared to come in the mines alone, just do what I did. And do not blow up yourself. If you have more robots, then go ahead and blow up yourself. Oh great, they changed this too. What's up, little monkey? Goofy pose. Here, I'm gonna follow you. Those are some short legs you have. I can't go that fast, fool. Why are you walking fast? Guys, I'm getting pretty scared. Bro, you serious? This is gonna take a while. Dude, why is this fool walking so fast? Fool, why are you walking so fast? Is there anything over here? No. You see how fast they're walking? You know, this fool trying to run away from something. Oh my gosh, you scared me. Alright, I'm out of there. I gotta find where the real one is. Because now I have no clue on where it is. I'm never gonna find this place. Dude, where is it? I'm probably just gonna about to blow myself up. No, 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 no. I made it. Where's my crystals? Where are those my crystals? What's up, you AIs? I don't know how to play properly. Those are my crystals. Some weird, goofy noise. Let's go, I got 4. Wait, I don't need to get no more. You're my friend now. Oh, that's sad. Oh my god, oh! I'm stuck, no! Yo, bro, you good? Here, let me give you a good repair. I'll give you a very good one. Alright, I'm scared. Let me out. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm broke. I've used more than 1 million on probably guns. Alright, so we got that. Let's see. Wait, no, I can't use that. So let's see, what should I get? So what I wanted to get last video is this. Now let me actually look. To get the front launcher or the hover pad. Nah, that's kind of I have enough to get the RPG, but not no ammo. Unless I do not want to get no ammo. Oh my, yo, wait. Should I wait until I get more? So that's 1, 6, 9. Yeah, I won't have enough. Time to make it the revolver. was revolving. I don't know where it is. Is it that up there? Yup, it's this. Wait, did I really get the wrong one? Oh, hey, look, the RPG. Wait, then where is the... Is it this over here? Wait, it might be this. For sure not. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on. Is it that over there? Alright, now I feel like I got the wrong thing. What then? This would lead to... There it is. Oh, so I need to get two of these. Finally, my dream weapon. Alright, now what I need are those grenades that, like, there's so many grenades in it. Whatever they're called. Let's see where this at. So it's right there. Let's go. I have enough. Flashbang, cluster grenade. Just a normal iPad? Oh, it's a map. Oh, it starts from a crowbar, flash grenade. So now where's crowbar? Oh, I'm blind. Oh, let's go. I made it. Wait, what? Where is it? Where is it? is it? Oh. Oh, now it's 3. I'm showing 1. Alright. Now guys, we're gonna go kill some kids. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be like, yeah. Just have to get the stuff. This is glitched. Alright, let's go. We can finally kill kids instead of y'all just being bored. Let me just put this away. Okay, let's go to Publix. Kill some kids. Hello?
I got banned for 30 days.
Goofy,
I
I'm
got banned
out.
for
You
30
know I'm
days.
getting paid for this, right? You know I'm getting paid for
I got
this.
banned.
Bro said he's getting paid for this. Or for what? Existing? Let's go.
Let me adjust my
Weapons.
headset real quick, guys.
Explosives. Boom.
I don't know.
One extra.
Yo, Black, give me a hint.
Yo, Black. I'm Black.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's a place with buildings. Wait, you're black?
Oh snap, I'm being chased.
Yo.
Great.
It's a place with buildings? Alright, I'm coming.
This kid could
And I'm
fly.
not gonna tell Black, alright? I will.
Driving in my car right after up
I'm an
here.
innocent guy. I'm an innocent guy. You killed two
Remember, you
people.
have to kill.
Please, rinse.
Dude, they're gonna just respawn right here.
Oh yeah, good idea. I forgot.
Bro said good idea. Hey fool, I can still see you.
Yo, Black. Bro,
Hello.
How have you not gotten
Everybody
hit?
wearing that? Why is everybody wearing Mine.
I'm gonna shoot you the second you spawn.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Be small. No, you should. No. Alright, here. Hi, what's your name? I want to be friends.
My name is the blackest boy.
my name is Miss Jiggle Dutch, Miss Jiggle Dutch. You guys will never find me.
This is absolutely fun. Exist.
Yo, can I buy an MRE real quick?
Thank you. Oh snap! No! Oh no!
Are you an
Why you
idiot?
look like that? The OG back.
Why does
Oh my god.
Oh man! I need to kill this kid for fun purposes only. Owie!
Yo, can someone help me duplicate an OG be built into it?
Goodbye. Goodbye. You're all just the blackest guy.
I'm currently walking up the elevator. Please help.
he's that way?
Goodbye.
I'm
You're
sorry.
black. You're black.
Here, move over.
Owie! Thank you for the boost.
You want to do it again? What?
Exist.
Yo, can someone
You
help me
monkey!
duplicate an item?
You're blacker than black!
Weird hole, or whatever it is. I just went up this elevator thingy, which was broken down.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Sorry, you were red lot.
Goodbye.
Yeah, you're dead. I'm not dead. I'm alive.
Little wall.
You're dead.
Boom, 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 boom,
Inside
boom, boom,
that
boom.
place.
No. Create a
Dude,
city
shut up
again.
about 6'7".
Fine. Okay.
Yo, look at me, look at me. 6'7".
Don't care.
Blow 'em up.
Alright, whoever wants that gets that.
Okay.
6'7".
What is
How about
Shut
that?
up about 6'7".
Nah. 6'7". 6'7".
I didn't want to wake up to be
buy me a
hearing
nut shutter?
6'7".
Can somebody buy me a nut shutter?
6'7".
Okay, I don't care.
Someone buy me a
Can you buy me a nut shutter, please?
No.
Shut up,
Why are you
Enrique.
asking
Come
me?
find me now.
Oh,
Yo, who wants to help me
Okay.
duplicate this
This is
backpack?
medium.
Bro,
hey,
no
I
one.
wonder how
I don't want to help you, Adrian.
The same black kid that I'm trying to hunt down.
Alright, I only got a few bullets.
I'm
Yo,
gonna.
who wants to help me duplicate
6'7".
the OG bag with a fast light on
Yo,
it?
why 6'7", boy?
Give me a hand.
Let's trade.
And black.
Yo, orange with the cowboy hat. Bye bye. 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", 6'7".
This kid is so annoying.
6'7".
He left.
Who left?
6'7", 6'7",
Yo, Chris, where you at,
This is
Chris?
why you're
Chris,
blacker than your
Chris,
mom.
where you at,
You're
Chris?
adopted.
I am hiding. Yo, Chris, where you at? I am hiding.
Bro said I'm hiding. From what?
You have to find me. No one's gonna find
Chris,
me.
are you not worried?
I know your name, Chris? Yeah, you know my name.
Dude, somebody is crying.
So what's that on, bro? Alright, I won't grab a gun. Are we fine now? Yo, Black, give me a hint again. Okay.
Dude, nobody wants to be your idol.
I
The only idol you got is, I don't know, someone.
won't shoot you
That doesn't
anymore,
like
okay?
Yo, could you buy me a rocket real quick?
Boy, I'm not gonna shoot you anymore.
Thank you.
Do you want it to be at Creative Studios?
If you're going to sewers, you're gonna need to.
Okay.
Come on, I need to hurry. Okay. Now I need to go back.
Who wants to go down to sewer?
This time, give me 20 seconds.
Alright.
Can somebody get me a teleporting gun? Can somebody get me a crossbow?
Can I play hide and seek with you guys?
Wait, just give me a second.
Can I play hide and
No.
seek with
Thank you,
guys?
God. Thank you.
If somebody,
Oh my gosh.
no,
you, God.
Since nobody gave me a crossbow, I'm not gonna give anybody my super rare OG boombox. Shut up. I'm ready. I'm ready for you guys to come find. Wait, I messed up. Give me.
What the?
Can I play hide and seek with you guys?
Yo. Hi.
Sure, but
Goodbye.
just wait until the next round.
Kill yourself.
Yes. What?
Nothing. Oh snap, I might be cooked. No. Please, boy. Please.
I'm out of the
No, no.
Oh, sorry.
You been killed.
Come on, please, please.
Stuck in the wall.
Go on, please, God, please. Thank you, God. Oh, let's go, I survived. Oh. Well, Piglets just survived.
Someone come here. Who wants to find a secret spot to go outside of the map? Someone come with me to go outside of the map.
Oh.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. I'll tell you if it doesn't work. Okay.
Wolfie.
Dun 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 dun.
You black dude.
I need a proper corner. There's not really corners here.
He wasn't behind me.
Guys, can I join your team?
Well, I want to go behind. I'm pretty scared.
Alright, get out.
Hey, don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I just want to climb the wall. I just want to climb the
I'm modding.
I just got past the border. What border? Who's the bad guy here? Who's the bad guy? Bro, look at this! There's someone up there! There's someone hiding up there! He's a red watch and he's hiding in the corner! In the corner!
Oh, Tony was talking to me. Kid Bob.
There's a red watch hiding in the corner! I'm pretty sure I'm... no, I'm not here yet. I'm close. I'm past 2 or 3 borders right now. Shoot, I remembered I was going backwards. You're gonna get banned, man. Yeah. Are these my friends?
How did that happen?
I mean, I'm close. Like, real close.
Well, there goes my material.
Alright, I'm past the kick border now. What kicks you from the game?
Great, what should I do? You know what I'm gonna go do?
Don't get me wrong, that looks far, but I have a teleport thing. Why you do that, raccoon?
Oh snap, wait. What am I supposed to do?
Raccoon, why'd you kill me? I'd be so sad, man, if I got...
How do I do this now?
I'd be so sad. Did you seriously fall? I think the guy left.
Oh man. Wait,
I
no.
think the poor guy left. I'm in the
Where's the
foggy
boots?
map.
Who did this? Who did this?
I'm not gonna kid.
Just so you know, guys, I don't think...
Dude, what is that noise? I cannot leave a single
Are you
one.
there? Yeah, I don't think the guy can come here. Oh my god. The next 2 seconds, say a random... Buddy, you ain't buying any... Okay, I'll say it again. There's an active bomb!
How?
Buff guy was,
Yeah?
Foster? What are you doing?
Making a video.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm making a video and putting these.
whoever it was, a grenade despawned.
I hope someone dies.
Nah, this is sick.
Oh man. Wait,
Just
now
so
I
you know,
can't get my
guys, I'm on the
bag.
2020
Wait, I can't get my bag no more.
I think. Oh, candy! There's a glitch thing. This is kind of good candy or something like that. I'm glad that is. I mean, there's random things flying around. And errors everywhere.
Hi.
I'm the owner of this team, man. You're gonna get banned.
Not fool.
Bro, I'm not even a part of your
Why are
team
you
game.
placing so
But
many
like,
tripwires?
this is sick where I am
Huh?
right now.
Why are you
What's
placing
this
so many
stupid crap?
tripwires?
For a
It's
video.
all like black and white. Right?
Doing it for a video.
Yo, what's up, first in the galaxy?
Bye.
Yeah, but the devs are dead. What does the map look like? Oh my god, I'm in, I think. Oh, no.
In my judge, you're the one that. There's no way in there. Shut your dumb ass up,
Yeah,
man.
Shall I reveal my turn?
exactly. Exactly. Chill out. I thought you.
Your buns. Where you going, bro?
Okay.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Oh.
This is why I want to go straight.
Where's LeBron going? Get better, LeBron.
Yeah, where you go?
To make it so hard to glitch, bro. Man.
LeBron thought he was good. LeBron thought he was good.
Okay.
Yo,
So,
Orange, back up. Orange,
I'll
back
be
up.
there. Just now I'm going to your mom's house.
He's gone, LeBron. He's gone, LeBron.
Yo, bro.
Oh yeah, spawn.
It's such a peaceful day to go out.
Bye-bye.
Guys, it's such a peaceful day to go out.
I'm not going to give up on you,
Oh.
little broad. You
Wait, what?
Hey, guys. I don't want no smoke.
Hi.
Don't
No,
want
I'm
no
actually in now, bro. I'm actually in.
Watch out, sir.
Teleport me down.
I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke.
Giveaway at spot. I was the
I don't want no smoke.
Give away and don't stand like
kind of despawned. How did it despawn? It was in your bag, and yep.
Exactly, blue, bro.
No. I was down in it.
Oh my.
You monkey. Dude, why do I keep dying?
Your buns, buddy. Get out of here.
Yeah, that guy's buns, bro.
Like me.
Bro, the red dude is buns at max. Red dude's buns at max.
Guys, I'd be careful.
Set up traps.
I'd
Don't
be
let nobody
careful.
come in here.
Red dude buns at max.
Alright, bro, I thought you was gonna show me who you was, bro. Who you was. You're not nothing, bro.
Me?
I'm not out of here, bro. I'm not, oh, no, I'm talking this fool. Here, put this man in the stash.
Go ahead.
Bye-bye.
Hey, let's send him a grenade.
Bro, hey, give me it. Bro.
Oh my god, who wants broccoli? Who wants broccoli? I have broccoli.
Yeah, run.
I'm walking the ever portal again.
I'm surviving.
Why?
Dude,
Yeah.
guys, I'm gonna walk in the error
Keep up with me.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
stick, so.
These guys are stupid. Bro, we're stupid, bro.
Guys,
Yo.
the dock is broken in this.
Ever heard of something undo that on purpose?
No, that was. Oh my god. I think I'm in the older version. I don't know.
Bitch, you can't get me! Okay. Bro, I'm trying to get out!
Who wants to come?
I'll try speed when it's despawn. Last chance. Who wants to go to the glitched old spawn map?
Dude, it's so simple to
Who
get
wants
over.
to go to the old spawn map, which is sick? With
What is the
Oops. Alright, so guys, to get robots like fast, not go like the super long way, what you're gonna need is umbrella. And then what else you'll need is a, where is it? It's a teleporter gun. You'll need this and an umbrella. Make sure your umbrella is on. Bring a flashlight if you're scared of the dark. Down a rocket. Unless they patched it, then you can't do it no more. Or they moved it. They might have patched it. Come on. So, use teleporter gun. Open it up. Alright, never mind. Actually, go back. Messed up. Yeah, here's the wall. Okay, so come land over here. Land right here. Then, this is where you're gonna go. Go this way. This is how you make yourself go faster. There it is, there it is. There you go. No, I didn't break me. Well, you wanna know what I'm gonna do? Wait! I still have the umbrella! Trying to get up. I don't think I'll be able to give up. Come on, I can do this. Come on, come on. Come on, let me in. Yo, I don't want to go to heaven yet. Nah, you can't take me to heaven. Wait. Nah, you can't take me to heaven. Where's my body? Where's my lifeless body? Kaboom. And that's how you get the robots. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a good day and peace.